Hi, and this is my impression of when Shakira goes to wash her hands but the water's too hot. Thank you.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind.
I didn't know anything, I just gave up. See ya.
Don't tell your mother, kiss one another, die for each other. Baby, take me to the feeling.
And the Sand Guardian, Guardian of the Sand. Poseidon quivers before him. Fuck off.
Yes, yes.
Who's that Pokemon?
It's Pikachu!
It's Clefairy! He doesn't deserve you. If he doesn't treat you right by now, you're gone. I'm gone. Now go chop his dick off.
Well, when life gives you lemons.
This, what is up? That's because it's hot outside.
Run.
Toss me my keys. I said my keys.
I thought you said printer.
Why the fuck would I say printer?
Have anybody ever tell you you look like Beyonce?
Nah, they usually tell me I look like Shalissa.
Who the fuck is that?
Me.
Brandon, ask me what kind of tree I have.
No.
Brandon, ask me what kind of tree I have.
No.
Just, Brandon, ask me what kind of tree. It's a Chris Pine.
Caterpillar rave.
Bet you I can eat all these fudge straps.
Megan, no!
Megan! Megan! Oh no, Megan.
Get to Del Taco. They got a new thing called free shavakadu. Free shav. Daddy. Do I look?
Yo, what are we about to do?
Yo, drink this vodka down the hatch. Come on.
Wake up, sleepyhead!
Fuck, man.
That was a close one.
I'm just cooking pizza.
Oh Lord.
Da 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 da.
Welcome to physics.
Holy muck!
Detective, this is a crime scene.
What is this, a murder weapon? Get off my dick!
Is there anything better than pussy? Yes, a really good book.
Saw you hanging out with Caitlin yesterday.
Rebecca, it's not what you think.
I won't hesitate, bitch. Mother trucker, dude. That hurt like a butt cheek on a stick.
Ah!
I'll kill you. I'll kill you. I'm not even worried about it.
Think fast.
Fast. Mitochondria has the powerhouse root of 600. Leonardo DiCaprio's never won an Oscar.
Chris, is that a weed?
No, this is a crayon.
Call the police.
911, what's your emergency?
So I gave this frog a blueberry, and now he won't let go of it.
He loves it.
You remember one time I liked you? No.
Good, cause never happened.
Aw.
Aha!
Yo, do you have paper towels? Yeah, right up there.